How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, I got some stock picks for you guys, as well as some price movements for the day, some stock news, and some daily gains that I have. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you would like to follow my journey. I do display 12 different brokerages on this channel, all with 100% transparency. I show all my buys, my sells, my gains, my losses, all my deposits, and my withdrawals. I started this house money challenge back in June of 2020. What the challenge is basically me deploying capital into the market for a set number of days. Usually about 30 to 90 days, I'll deploy maybe $10,000 to $28,000 to the market. Wait those 1 to 3 months, pull out my capital, and I'll leave just my gains in the market. Now, over the past 6 to 7 months, I have accumulated over $12,500 worth of free shares, which is risk-free investing over the long term. I also have a description and a link below. If you want some free shares as well, you can get 4 free shares from Webull, all valued up to $3,700. You can get a free share from Robinhood, as well as moomoo, and you can get $30 from M1 Finance. So let's jump into it. First price movement we have for the day was Bio Nano, ticker B and Go. This is a stock that I own. Well, all the price movements that I show are stocks that I own, but this one had a nice run up today of over 21%. Then we got BlackBerry, ticker BB, was up over 20%. Then we got some earning calls. We had American Express, NextEra Energy, 3M, and Lockheed Martin. If you missed those calls and you own these positions, or it's something you want to get into, you need to go back and listen to the replay. There's always valuable information in these calls. Next we had PLD, IVZ, NVS, and RTX, all with earning calls as well. Well, these actually have just earnings coming up, I'm sorry. So you want to pay attention to their earnings, see if they beat their EPS. Next we have CIT, SIT Group, earnings coming up as well. Yahoo Finance, we got a Marathon invest $150 million in Bitcoin. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin as well. I do have quite a few crypto videos here on this channel, if you want to check those out. I do own Bitcoin in several different brokerages. I own it in Cash App, eToro, cryto.com, Coinbase, Robinhood, PayPal, and on Webull. So definitely I love Bitcoin, and I'm very bullish on it. So I'm glad to see Marathon's investing in Bitcoin, and that just piques my interest to buy some more shares of Marathon, just to get some more exposure to Bitcoin. As you see down here at the list below, my watch list, we got S&D was up 20%. So I had 3 stock picks that did very well today. We got Starbucks Q1 earnings call, Texas Instruments Q4 earning call. We got Microsoft Q2 earnings call. Stock pick for you today is going to be GameStop. I'm not going to go in depth on none of these stock picks that I have for you. Please do your own due diligence. Don't just buy stocks because I'm displaying them. All the stocks that I display, I do purchase myself, but that doesn't mean you should purchase them. You should always look at the balance sheets, check the fundamentals, look at the board members. You want to look at some analyst ratings on it, and you also want to look at the analytic charts and the graphs, and kind of do a deep dive into these companies. GameStop was the hype of the day today. I particularly haven't dug deep into what's going on, but GameStop is something I already hold, so I did add it back to the watch list to go ahead and swing trade it and to build on my position. Next here we have my Webull account. As you can see, it's valued up over $2,200.47. It is up $417.62. Total percent gain of 23.16%. Then we have the stash account. I am up $549 and a penny. It is up 8.66%. Then we have Cash App, valued at $2,705.18. I am up $695.79. Realized and unrealized gain average is 14.76%. Then in the Fidelity account, we have ticker SSYS. I got 1.68 shares valued at $67.56. It is up $21.56. Total percent gain of 46.87. Then we got Verizon, has some earning costs coming up. Then I got the 3 best stocks to buy for a Biden bull market for you guys. Take a look into these. We got Redfin, ticker RDFN. We got Brookfield Renewable, ticker BEP or BEPC. And then we got Tesla, of course, ticker TSLA. Then I got 6 Vanguard ETFs that will fit any of you guys' retirement portfolio. You want to have some IRA portfolios. They're non-taxable if you hold them until you're 63 and a half. Some of the best ways to stack up in your retirement funds are through ETFs or index funds, because they give you a wide variety of diversification, super low volatility. It's usually something that's not going to fluctuate very much, and a lot of them pay some great dividends. Vanguard has some of the best ETFs out there. I do actually have Vanguard as one of my brokerages that I invest into. I do own all of these as well. So let's take a look. We got Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, VIG. We got Vanguard Total World Bond ETF, BNDW. We got Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, ticker VT. We got Vanguard Real Estate ETF, ticker VNQ. We got Vanguard Short Term and Fluctuation Protected Securities ETF, ticker VTIP. We got Vanguard ESG US Stock ETF, ticker ESGV. Then I got 4 Energies MLPSs to buy for 2021 that pay massive dividends. We got Enterprise Products Partners LP, ticker EPD. We got Energy Transfer LP, ticker ET. We got MPLX, ticker MPLX. We got Plains All American Pipeline LP, ticker PAA. So those will be my stock picks and my price movements, some of the gains I had in the portfolios, as well as some of the stock news that came out pertaining to earning calls and such, and quarterly earnings. If you guys like this video, hit the like button for me, subscribe, hit that bell. I'd really appreciate that. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I will be selling 11 different stocks tonight, so I'll post that video shortly after midnight. I'll probably be trying to make some withdrawals as well, some of the principal. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate you for tuning in once again.